This prime West Loop location includes a private rooftop deck with over 500 square feet and stunning skyline views. Welcome to 400 South Green Street. You can enter through Green Street or Peoria Street. As we enter this 2,800 square foot unit that is duplexed up with a private rooftop deck, notice the almost 20-foot ceilings, timber beamed, chef's kitchen with high-end appliances, SubZero fridge, Fisher Paykel dishwasher drawers, wolf range, and more. The exposed brick has east and north views with huge windows. Up ahead, we notice the lofted space currently used as the office. Wood-burning fireplace provides two great seating areas in the living room. As we go through the dining room with north views, great natural light, we'll head through the French doors to the first bedroom. This suite has a walk-in closet, private bathroom, fantastic northern views. At 13 by 17, there's plenty of room. Ansax tile, double sinks, beautiful soaking tub, steam shower, and across the hall we have two linen closets and a walk-in closet. As we go back through the foyer, we're going to check out the second full bathroom. Again, stunning Ansax tile, stand-up shower, Robern medicine cabinets in all the bathrooms. We're going to head past the custom handrails upstairs to the second bedroom with that urban lofted feel. Fantastic private nook off to this side with a large closet. Another private nook on the other side. We're going to follow the rails and head up to the front space, which is currently a fantastic home office with some built-in shelving and cabinetry. The laundry and storage is neatly tucked in here. And the closet has the technology mechanicals. All of the actual mechanicals, the furnace, the hot water heater, and the air conditioning have all been replaced in 2022 and 23. And the roof was recently replaced with a 30-year roof in 2022. The rooftop deck at 20 feet by 27 feet is private only to this unit and just a stunning feature with Trex decking. The place to be for fireworks and more. Unit 556 comes with one deeded and heated parking spot. 2,800 square feet. 400 South Green Street was built in the late 1800s and has all the charm of the old loft spaces, coupled with all the modern amenities you could want. Fantastic walkable location. Take the pedway to UIC, go check out the restaurants in Greektown, and hop on the Blue Line L. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you at 400 South Green Street.